Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unusual network or device environment in WeChat. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, either it's Wi-Fi or mobile data. Second thing is to make sure that your WeChat application is updated to the latest version. For that, open Play Store and search here WeChat. Then tap on it. If your application is not updated, then here you will see the update option. So update the WeChat application to the latest version. In the third step, you have to clear cache and clear storage. For that, tap and hold on WeChat application. Then you will see app info option. Tap on it. Here select storage and cache option. Then clear cache and clear storage from the bottom. Then in the next step you have to restart your device and hopefully your problem will be fixed. But if you are facing the same problem, then uninstall WeChat and reinstall it from Play Store. And this is how you can fix unusual network or device environment in WeChat.